Alright, here we go. Wadrang Valley helicopter. No sound. Just gonna watch me do mad tricks all around.
La bizza, la boo.
We go. Once I start to pick up speed, my chopper will get away.
Excuse me? What? What are you doing?
Shut up. I'm doing helicopter tricks.
Give me my phone.
I'll give you your phone in a minute.
Now.
You'll get it in a minute. I'm only gonna do a minute-long video. Mom, seriously, please. Then it'll take me about 2 minutes to upload.
Oh my god. I hate weekends.
I hate you too, Mom. It's a joke. Please don't come beat me up.
Isabel!
No.
Come and put the shower on.
Have you seen Black Hawk Down?
You need to get the shower, honey.
I am Super 6-1. First chopper to go down. And there I go. And I'm down. Okay, now I can't go over there, but my chopper is over that way. Okay, it's up there. Now, I'm going to my landing strip, which is here. This is the landing strip. Down here is LZ X-Ray. If you ever seen the movie We Were Soldiers, that is a great movie. It's a movie with Mel Gibson. And right here is LZ X-Ray. I will respond there, but I'm not going to respond. I'm going to respond at my base. And as you can see, there's a chopper flying here. And we got men down here in the canal, while we got guys still at LZ X-Ray holding the position. Now right here, it's their main base. This is all the hills, alright? And this, I didn't even know there was water here, but I'm actually going to take my chopper from here and move down here, okay? I'm going to go all the way down to straight, alright? Here we go. Alright, M16. Oh, there's no choppers here, but there's a plane, so. Where's the chopper? There goes the plane, so guess I'm not getting that.
Go turn the shower on. It is 8:20. You need to be getting ready for bed.
Okay, where is my thingamajigger?
Isabel, you need
Come on, chopper. It shouldn't take that long. I mean, I just showed you guys. I just crashed one. Oh, there the choppers are. I guess I just gotta wait. Nope, there's a Chinook. He just ditched, so the Chinook should pop up in a second, so I'll just take that. It's a big, big helicopter. It's gonna pop up right there. Wait for the magic to happen. Just give it a second. I don't know. Jeez, we're getting murked right now. Who's the guy saying? Oh, don't even think about. Oh, he takes my chopper. Oh, what a jerk. Fred, I'm stealing this from you. Thank you. Okay, now Fred's just gonna go buy it for me. Okay, Fred, thank you for not taking the chopper from me, because that would be very embarrassing. Nah, I wouldn't care. Okay. So we're gonna fly this to. As you can see, this is a Chinook helicopter. A very large helicopter, and as you can see, I can do lots of tricks in it. But it's a very big helicopter. It is very, very unmaneuverable. Watch. This is probably the best I can do right now. 360. Like, look how sweet that looks. I could probably do a lot more. Oh, I'm about to go out of map.
Mom.
I better turn this chopper around. There you go. I got machine guns on the side. Let's do a strafing one with the Chinook. I love how I'm getting kills every time I strafe over. I just got a kill. I just got like 7 kills. There we go. I just got 2 more kills. Oh, you'll be surprised how well I can maneuver in this thing. I mean, it's fairly unmaneuverable. Oh crap! Lag. As you can see, UAV is on. So I can see all my guys, but they can't see me. Well, they can see me because I'm in a helicopter, but you know what I mean. Strafing run in a helicopter. Now I can get on a Huey gunship, which shoots missiles, but the co-pilot can shoot minigun and grenades. Oh my god, let's take a 360 around. Just almost out of ammo. Kill these guys. Odie, we're gonna hit something. Wow. Dude. Get murked. Alright. Okay. Here we go.
Really? Again?
What?
Again?
Yeah, all day. I am a black guy. This, unfortunately, I'm going to change. No offense, but I'm going to change guys. Okay, I'm going to be a sniper. Colin. This guy's going to come down. Look at this. Yeah. Are you ready for this? Go, 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 baby, go. Here we go, and we're in the air. My co-pilot's name is, my pilot's name is Jeff Ross. Jeff, why did you bail? Jeff. What a jerk. I'm gonna go slap the guy.
Gemini project. Now, to save themselves, they'll have to help each other.
Take the first. Come on. I want to be a co-pilot. This guy better not turn around. Jank, I hate you right now. Okay, well, I guess I'm taking a Huey gunship. My layout is rockets. I have about 20 rockets. It doesn't shoot like multiple rockets at one time. Did you see that? Bail out and back in. That was amazing. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna do that again. Bail out. Oh, back in. Oh, yeah. I could do that for so much. Bail out. And back in. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna get mad air.
Maybe if we just take it from the top one more time.
The Disney Channel original movie, Lemonade Mouth.
Okay.
My first grade recital. My throat down Mikey Nichols back.
Alright, I'm sorry. Please don't comment about all the talking in the background. I'm sorry, I didn't have enough time to do this without anybody yelling at me. So, don't get mad at me. I'm gonna get up real high real quick. Alright. Okay, this is my highest. Now watch. Go out, got it. Oh, and I'm back in. Look at that. Out, back in. See if I can do a 360, okay, ready? 360. Oh, snap. Look at that. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go shoot somebody, then I gotta go. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Watch the magic fly. Alright, watch me do a couple 360s around this place.
Actually, I came here to talk to you, Bob. Can I call you Bob? Can you? It would be my pleasure.
Jeez, I can't do anything in this game.
As you know, I've been spending a lot of time with Teddy, and things